Hey, I'm Scott Yelverton. I'm agri-science teacher here at Delville High School. I'm located over in the vocational education building. I'm teaching different classes. I've taught a lot of different classes. This year's classes is Introduction to Veterinary Science, our welding class, my welding class, agricultural welding, construction framing, and fundamentals of agri-science is actually the we all refer to as agri-science. As far as supplies needed for the class, pencil and paper every day, notebook. You don't have to have a special notebook for my class, just have a section where you can keep the materials that I give to you and things you'll need to bring back. Required fees will be in our welding class when I'm teaching the welding, and actually the construction. Those are $10 per class. And also FFA, Future Farmers of America, is what it used to be called. Now it's agricultural. Just referred to it as FFA, National FFA Organization. If you want to join that, that's $12. And hopefully this year we'll be able to get back into doing some things like we have with the contest and things. But as I said, I'm located over in the ag department, the vocational building, and I'll see you on Tuesday.